What do you do?
Yes, definitely do that.
That.
See you.
Alright, so they say,
Let's see that beautiful smile. Let's see it. There it
let's
is.
see what you got with it. I can't remember it because I do it. My husband was getting his haircut,
Is it okay?
and we always did it together. So I've never done one myself.
Well, then you know what?
It's fun though.
This is the one.
I always enjoyed it. Like,
Quick, before he gets here.
Surprise him.
Yeah, there you go. He could get his own as well, you know.
Well, he's getting a haircut. I'm not liking it.
Oh no.
But I'm gonna try not to say anything. See how he feels about it at first. Now, where are you located?
I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't realize there was that many characters around here.
Oh, I mean, there's caricatures all over the world. Yeah.
I just didn't know, like, in this area.
Oh yeah. There's a few for sure. Yeah, actually, I'm in the industry and I didn't know that there was so many in this area either.
Right?
So I understand.
It's fun. You know, like, how they do that for people.
Absolutely.
Like, I don't know if it was like a one set price. I used to do all the hit faces, but I can't remember what the audience charged. Hopefully they'll give you a job there.
Yeah.
Are you real busy
Come up
here?
with.
Have you been getting a lot?
It's been okay. It's been steady.
That's good. It's a good talent. That was so funny when you said that.
You should. All right, come check it out. You ready?
All right, let's see. That was quick.
Ta-da!
Oh, I like it.
You have an
I
amazing
think that's
smile.
my favorite one.
Yay.
Very nice.
Her favorite one. That's
So
awesome. That's amazing. Thanks so much for sitting for me. Take care. See you later. Thank you for trusting me with your face.
Next.